Hey guys, Donna Hoffman, the Interior Design Advocate, coming to you live from the New York Now show with a great lesson on accessorization. We're in the Bungalow 5 showroom. It's a lot of fun. Beautiful showroom filled with great looking accent chairs and accent pieces and great lighting and accessories, yada yada, bip bip bip. So let's talk about a great little secret or tip for when you're accessorizing near a lamp. So what a lot of you guys do that doesn't work as well is you will do a lamp and a whatchamacallit like that. And it can work, but there's all this dead space here. So if you can, try to break out of just these, 4-inch tall, 5-inch tall pieces when you're under a lamp, and you could do either a nice looking, picture frame. Bungalow 5 has these great little pieces of tabletop sculpture. You can do something like that. But see how we're just sort of getting this area filled just a little bit more interestingly. We're not leaving negative space there, and we're creating a nice grouping. If you want more help in how to accessorize your home like a boss, check out our online course, Design CPR, Creating Perfect Rooms. It's all about how to style out your home beautifully the way a $250, $300 an hour designer would. That's all for now from the New York Now show.